Maybe it was scratched again.
Now who'd scratch your rocket?
It's saying it exploded.
Are you serious?
People are like commenting, that was crazy to watch. Oh my god, it exploded. There were flames everywhere.
Whoa.
It looked like it did on the NASA feed. It's on our local news now.
Content unavailable for the live
Looked like
stream.
red in the clouds.
I was wondering why
Praying no one was hurt. What the hell happened?
At the Antares CRS Mission Contingency Reaction Plan.
Steve, I think this is the biggest explosion ever on Delmarva. That thing was fully fueled. It happened just after launch.
It appears
well up here into Maryland.
The damage is limited to the facility.
A big boom.
There's no indication that there are personnel in danger, although we do have significant property damage. 2, 1.
See, there's a lot of flame right there. Something starts clear the tower, and I think it's about right here is where there, right there, it just explodes and falls back.
And then the big explosion as it hits the ground.
It looks like the first stage exploded, and then you have the whole thing go off.
That is something else.
So there was an explosion as he got about 6-7 seconds into the flight.
Just after it cleared the tower, it looks like.
Be advised, stay at your consoles. Everyone in the LCC, maintain your positions.
I'm zooming in on the fire here. There's a huge glow. This is the launch pad right here.